My Ryobi random orbital sander won't turn on. It worked just fine, it stopped. I put in a new battery, tried several other batteries, and it won't turn on. I've cleaned it up, no excess sawdust anywhere. How can I tell what the problem is? Thanks.
Do you know the model of your Ryobi sander? How old is it?
It's a OnePlus T411. It's reconditioned, can't remember where I bought it online, but I haven't had it for more than a year.
How long has this been going on with your Ryobi sander? What have you tried so far?
Just started yesterday. I've used a number of batteries that I am certain work, they work in the other cordless tools. I've cleaned all the sawdust off the sander.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't know.
Welcome, my name is I am here to help you with your inquiry. I will ask you questions that I will need specific answers for. Sometimes it may be one of 100 things. I will add steps in a process toward a target as we proceed in our communications. If by some reason a solution to the problem isn't possible, I will do my best to supply you with any remaining options, from what other resources I can find. Allow me time to prepare information for you, because we both can't wait by our devices. I have reviewed what you have given so far. Below is an initial assessment. One thing it could be. It may not be making a good return electrical current where it connects because oils build up on the metal contacts, or a new switch may be needed so you can do this. A home center will have an electrical contact cleaner spray. There are plug-ins on the sander, battery and charger. You'll see those metal connections. Spray them and then go over with a toothbrush and give another spray. The moisture will evaporate quickly, or if you have enough of metal on the connections, go over them with a pencil eraser, or a very used nail file and soft cloth. Note, keep in mind using contact spray. The eraser or file and cleaning the metal are two different things. We can start here. Please let me know. Thanks Eddie. Note, I have nothing to do with site-generated phone pop-ups which you can ignore, nor any billing parameters. I can only receive monetary credit from a positive acceptance of my answer. Why you may feel the need to impulsively choose a very damaging service rating, I implore you to stop and first consider replying back to me with any of your concerns.
Hi Eddie. I waited for a while for your answer. Thanks for reaching out. I've cleaned the contacts. I've removed the screws in an effort to look inside for any loose wires. I don't seem to be able to open it up all the same. The bottom circular orbiter stays attached. The best I've been able to do is blow out any sawdust through the sliver of the opening. I did that once and it worked. The next time I turned it on, it didn't work. Thanks very much. Best. Nancy.
Sorry Nancy, there was a wait, but I do have some questions to help us more along age of the unit. Do you have the manual for it? How long has the problem existed? Was it gradual or sudden? Any type of noises? Lights? Fault messages? What is it doing or not doing? Any broken parts?
Hi Eddie. The sander is no more than 2 years old. I used the manual on mine. The problem just started, nothing gradual. No odd noises, no broken parts, and it just doesn't turn on.
Looks like the switch has to be changed. Can you open it up and test the wires for current?
I can't open it all the way. I ordered a new one. Thanks for your help. Best, Nancy.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.